Welcome back to our HubSpot integration series. Rocket in today's video, we're delving into the world of HubSpot tickets on WhatsApp web. But first, what exactly are tickets? Admission tickets now, let's dive into the process of creating a ticket. Within WhatsApp web, simply locate the HubSpot icon in the toolbar. Click on it to reveal a plethora of options including user profiles, tasks, notes, deals, and of course, tickets. Click on Ticket to initiate a new ticket creation. Provide a relevant ticket name, like Tech Issue Pipeline, select the appropriate pipeline, and assign a priority level. Once saved, the ticket will seamlessly integrate into HubSpot, ensuring our support team stays informed. To access the ticket on HubSpot, navigate to the Services section where all tickets generated from WhatsApp are conveniently organized. With this simple process, addressing customer issues becomes a breeze, allowing our technical team to swiftly resolve problems and ensure customer satisfaction. Stay tuned for more insights in our HubSpot integration journey.